Woo, it's fun! Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Ishan Fun and Study. Friends, do you know Holi is coming? Holi is festival of colors, which celebrated our friends and family. It is one of the biggest festival in our country. It comes every year during the March. Children, adults and senior citizens also take part in this fun. Now, color shooter is very famous. So, today I going to make it at home. Color shooter, let's start. Before that, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. First, take aluminum foil paper roll. Cut it using cutter, but do it safely. Look like this. Now take one balloon and make a knot like this. I took a thick balloon so color shooter would be strong. Now cut top of the balloon using scissors. Fix it on one side of roll. Now using cello tape, stick it to the roll. Roll using one paper. Now it's time to coloring. Let's see. Let's check it. Woo, it's working. Ready, steady, get set.